Welcome, it's Katarina Eva here, and today I will show you my exploding box I made for Valentine's Day. But first I will show you how I assembled the 3D model to put inside my exploding box. So as you see, this is the Eiffel Tower, very detailed and beautiful, see-through. And this model is cut from about 1 millimeter thick chipboard. Comes flat, and all the parts are connected together in two frames. I used a small piece of scrap chipboard to secure my table surface from scratches, and I'm using usually to cut the pieces craft knife, but you can use scissors. Small scissors also are good for this. If you are not happy with some leftover pieces from connection, you can use sand block to remove them completely and have flat surface. So I cut all the pieces and I'm starting assemble the 3D model with these parts. So you can see exactly what parts I used and where I adding the glue. This is my method to make this model. I'm using Tombow Mono, it's a liquid glue. You can use another type of liquid glue. I choose to use this glue because this glue dries very fast. You can also use gel medium, glossy accent, and if you have problems to add precision of adding the glue precisely on the places you like, you can buy empty bottles with precision tip or precision tip glue. Meanwhile, you can see all the pieces are connected. I will show you about my idea of making this box. So I have a little bit too much of red color around me because in the mall, in shops, everything are decorated with red hearts. So I was thinking about something else, romantic but not with red. So I decided to use these pale pink papers, and first time in my life I've cut the base for exploding box from black cardboard. I'm using A3 size of cardboard because the base was very big, but I designed the base in Silhouette Cameo software and I cut it using Cameo machine because it was a lot of quicker and easier for me. But everything else was cut by hand or with my Big Shot. So on the first I plan to make an engagement exploding box, but on the end I make the romantic one for Valentine's Day. You can also change the theme a little bit and make it for anniversary or for wedding or for somebody who loves pink color, and I think it's a lot of people who love pink color. Good idea is also to put the ring on the top of the Eiffel Tower. I think it could be a great gift together with the box. So I'm almost finished with the model, and this part actually made the model more sturdy. So here you can see last part, most delicate, so just take your time to add it precisely. You can take the access of glue using your finger or piercing tool. I leave the model for half hour to dry. If you have another type of glue, you can leave it for full night to dry completely. And here you can see my romantic, little bit shabby chic exploding box I specially designed for this 3D model. So you have bow and key on the front of the box, and chipboard heart on the top of lid, and design for me is quite simple, but maybe not for everybody. So I'm also adding chipboard pieces. This tag is removable. You can add your personal note, like invitation maybe for Valentine's Day. Now I'm trying to show you the glitter, because it's very difficult to photograph usually. And all the parts from chipboard, all chipboard parts are inked, and then I add the glitter. So they are very nice, sparkly. Usually I do this with chipboard pieces. Flowers you can see are from Hobbycraft and Wild Orchid Craft. Here you can see the stamp I used from Paris, Sweet Paris, I think, collection from Trimcraft. All the materials will be in my post, so you can check everything with measurements also. So I think I forgot about the doilies, and beautiful doilies are from Stampin' Up. If you're making exploding box with 3D chipboard model, you need to assembling or gluing this model on the end of your work, because these models are very delicate, so it's necessary to, you know, have eyes on them. So models for the end, this is very important. Well, we're almost done. Thank you very much for your time, and remember that I have all information in my blog, so you can check also the information in the information box below. Thank you very much. Bye.